Here I have a VIVO Y69 and let me show you how to enter here the Fastboot mode on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the power key. Choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Then let's use the following combination of keys, power key and volume down. Let's hold down together those two keys, power key and volume down. And release both keys as soon as Fastboot mode pops up. So you can use your device in a Fastboot mode right now. You can navigate here by using both volume keys. And here you can also confirm options by pressing power key. Here you can enter to recovery mode, or you can simply reboot the device by pressing the power key. And now the device is booting into a normal mode, so let's wait a few seconds. Excellent, now you can use your device in a normal way, so everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.